What's going on, guys? Welcome to another video. I'm gonna be recording on my GoPro for this video, so I don't know how the audio will be. It might be good, it might not be good, just because it's really loud. A lot of noise gets captured with these GoPros. So I'm gonna take you guys along for a ride. In today's video, we're gonna be changing out my power steering belt because I've been having this really loud, like, squeaking noise coming out of the front of my car every time I make wide turns. So I'm assuming it's the power steering belt, or I'm just gonna tighten it and then hopefully that fixes it. But on the other hand, I don't know if you guys saw my other video. I made a video like 4 or 5 months ago, plastic dipping my wheels, and I said in the following video I was gonna change this belt. Well, it's been like 4 or 5 months and this belt is still sitting in my car, so I think it's time to go change it out. But for now, I'm gonna go take you guys for a ride. I'm gonna go to my mom's house, pick up a garage heater, and then bring it to my house, and then just hang out. Kind of a slow day, it's a Sunday, so we're just gonna hang out, at least have some heat in the garage and just work on the car. So I'll take you guys along for that ride. Alright guys, so we made it back to the garage. I'm gonna get the heater out, plug it in, and then I'll show you guys how loud the squeak is, and then we'll start working. Let's get to it. Alright guys, let's go turn the car on. And I kid you not, I've been carrying this belt around with me for like 4 or 5 months, and I yet to install it. So hopefully just installing this will fix the problem. So let me go start the car, and I'll show you guys what it sounds like. Let me open the door just so we get some, so we don't die from the gases. Alright. Let's go, let's do this. Hopefully you guys will be able to hear it. Alright, I'm gonna stick my hand out here and turn the steering wheel. Turning the steering wheel all the way. So hopefully you guys got a feel of what I'm talking about. I don't know if it's the power steering belt, but we're definitely gonna try. Let me get my dog back in here. Hi. There we go. We got the heater running, we got the belt here. Now let's just get the tools out and let's get to it. So I'll put you guys right up here again. Bring it even closer, just like that. There we go. There you go. I think that's a better view right there, what I'll be working with. So we're gonna have to get rid of this right here. It looks like there's some bolt right here. Surprisingly, it looks like there's just one bolt holding this, because that's where the cover is at. And then we might have to get rid of this, but I'm not too sure. First, we got to find out where the tensioners are. So let's first figure this out. What bolt we're gonna need? I think it might be a 10mm. Perfect. 10mm right there. This will work. Perfect. Looks like there's another bolt somewhere, but I'm not seeing it. Something about this doesn't feel right. Yay, we dropped the bolt. Yummy. I hear it, but I don't see it. Oh, there it is. I see it. Let me get you guys out of here. Let me show you where this freaking bolt went. There it is. All the way down there. So, we'll see. I'll try to get it out. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Won't I make it all the way down. Long and skinny hands, baby. Throw that in there. My magnetic plate. But yeah, it looks like I don't even know how this thing is being held on. Oh my gosh, it wasn't even a bolt. It just pushes right in and comes right out. Oh, that was stupid. Okay, so I believe this is the belt. Looks like the belt is pretty tight, so I don't think we have an issue with it being loose, which is making that noise. So I am gonna change the belt, but it might be like a bearing or something that's causing the issue, honestly. Let's see. We'll change this belt and then we'll just go from there. Okay, I figured out. So you have to loosen this bolt here and then this bolt here. One is a tensioner, one is a lock, a position locking. So let's see, once you tighten it, you'll see the alternator gets tighter, and once you loosen it, the alternator gets loose and the belt is also very loose. There you go. There we go, we got this belt off. Which honestly, the belt actually looks pretty good, but then again, I'm not really sure. How are you supposed to tell if the belt is bad or not? Oh, the grooves look good. I don't know. We'll see. We'll replace it and we'll see. It is what it is. There's no other way to do it. Make sure it's on the right way. And now we just tighten everything back up and hopefully it is what it is. Let's give it a shot. Let's go turn the car on. Alright guys, I'm gonna go turn the car on and we'll see if we fixed it or not. I think that might have done the trick. It's literally night and day how easily I can turn that steering wheel out. And we're not getting any screeching noises, so I think that was a success. So let's close everything back up. And I think we should be good. It's crazy because the belt doesn't even look like it's bad. I don't even know how you tell, but maybe it's the grooves. When the grooves get like too separated, that's when it's bad. I don't know. I'll do my research and then I'll tell you guys towards the end of the video how you can tell if the belt is bad or not. All right, guys, so from the research I found for the belt to see if they're bad or good is you need to see if there's like any tears in them or anything stuck inside the belt, which I don't see much inside my belt. Maybe it's like these little tiny cracks that I'm seeing, and maybe that's the problem. I'll try to show you, but it's like so little, I don't think you'll ever even be able to see. I don't know. I'll try to just find a picture and I'll post it in the video, because on my belt, this belt looks brand new. This is the old belt, but it looks like there's barely anything wrong with it. But hey, it was causing an issue, so we got rid of it. We put the new belt in it and there's no issue now, no squeaking. So I think it was a success. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys learned something, if you guys knew what you guys were doing but enjoyed watching the video, let me know in the comments below. Give me a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the last one. Peace.